What if you could go from generating AI images like this to creating beautiful, dynamic, and realistic images like these? In the past year, text-to-image AI generators like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Adobe Firefly have enthralled, challenged, inspired, and even intimidated us. They have opened up new worlds and new opportunities for the casual user and the professional artist, designer, and photographer. As the CEO of a multi-million-dollar design agency, I wanted to learn these platforms so I could push their boundaries. And in the last 6 months, I have sought how to create that perfect image. The one that few people would question in its authenticity. Because AI, well, looks like AI. Millions of images are generated weekly that look interesting but lack the depth, personality, and dynamism that makes real photographs so appealing. So I tried and tested until I created a foolproof system of prompts and AI strategies to create lifelike, inspiring imagery that pushes these platforms to their limits, and sometimes even beyond. If you want to go from merely creating cool imagery to photorealistic, magazine-ready photos and illustrations, and go from an AI user to an AI master, then this course is for you. While I'll focus on Midjourney, the quest for realism crosses AI platforms and even combines systems to produce images that cannot be created from just one program. Now I'll focus on fashion photography that you can translate into lifestyle imagery, editorial content, advertising, or just to be the best of the block and the envy of all your friends and community. Plus, I'll show you how to create fashion illustrations that rival any traditional artist's work that you can produce, print, and even sell on online platforms in a variety of styles. While you'll learn the right prompt structure, you'll also discover the additional prompts that I use for generating models that look so realistic you can enlarge them and still not tell the difference from a real photo. My secrets have led to articles on Medium.com with thousands and thousands of reads, but here you'll get the details that I'll never share apart from this course. AI is here to stay and it's only getting more realistic and better, so stay on the transcendent edge of these platforms from Midjourney and beyond with this masterclass. It's a fun, engaging, and inspiring course, and you'll be producing images like these in hours, not weeks. Let's get creative together.